In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Speechify website in 2023. Text-to-speech platform. Must watch. We'll start from a fresh browser and end with a well-organized listening library. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Speechify and press enter. From the results, click on the official Speechify website to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead. Once you're in, you'll land on your library. This library is your homepage and the central hub where everything lives: your uploaded files, saved articles, audiobooks, and any scanned pages you've added. It's designed to make it easy to pick up where you left off. To add content, choose Files and then select Browse Files. Pick what you want to listen to: PDF, doc, TXT, EPUB, or an image. As soon as it uploads, Speechify automatically converts the text to audio. Larger PDFs might take a moment, and image uploads will run through text recognition so they can be read aloud. If you're preparing study materials, consider clean, well-formatted files so the reading is smooth. Next, choose a voice that matches your purpose. Open any file, locate the voice menu, and select the voice you prefer. Speechify offers natural, human-like AI voices, premium celebrity-style options, and many languages and accents. Depending on your plan, some voices may be marked as premium. Take a minute to sample a few. For example, a clear, neutral voice can be great for textbooks, while a more expressive voice might make articles or stories easier to follow. Now adjust your listening speed using the speed slider. You can slow it down to around 0.5x for clarity, or speed it up to 4.5x or higher on some plans. Start at a comfortable pace and gradually increase it as your comprehension keeps up. Many learners find a slight increase above normal helps them study faster without missing key details. You're ready to listen. Press play to hear your document. If you only want a portion, highlight that text to play just the selection. Use the skip forward and back controls to revisit important parts quickly. You can also switch between a clean, page-by-page text view and the original PDF view to follow along visually. Finally, keep your library organized. Create folders to group related files. Use search to find documents by title or keyword, and apply filters to see recent items or sort by file type. Good organization makes returning to your materials fast and stress-free. That's it. Find Speechify, upload your content, choose a voice, set your speed, listen your way, and keep everything tidy for next time.